We are back! We are back with a new video here on the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back, Wicked Family. So in today's video we're going to do some more testing on the mini arcade machine from a friend from China. We're going to test some Neo Geo. We're going to use the USB connection and let's play some games and let's see what are we going to get and does it run the games decent. Right, so I'm not going to use the Wicked Sticky Wiggle Stick. I am going to power it on and play with the controller. It's not perfect, but it works a little bit better. Alright, stay tuned and let's go!
Round one, fight! Round one, fight! go! Watch out! No! No!
Mission 1, start. Heavy machine gun. Thank you. Thank you. Heavy machine gun. Shot. Thank you. Heavy machine gun.
Alright, so if it comes to playing Neo Geo arcade games on this mini arcade machine, as you can see, it runs pretty smooth. I don't see any big issues. I really love to hear your opinion, so leave it in the comments. What do you think of this? And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And if you like some gameplay, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel.